This is how you create a variation listing on Amazon. Ideally, you're going to have a listing that looks like this when you're completed with multiple variants, sizes, and colors. And this is when you want to group an existing listing or an existing set of listings that were not previously grouped. So first we go into Seller Central, Inventory, Manage All Inventory. Now we have this setup. This is the final, what it would look like, with all the variations grouped. So first I'm going to go to our best seller on this particular product category. I'm going to go to Edit. And then within the product, I'm going to go to Variations. I'm going to go Create Variations for this listing. This grouping, I'm using color and size. And then I hit Continue. All right, you'll see it took my existing SKU and put it as a variant under this group. And for new ones, it wants me to put color and size, but I don't want to do this. I want to only add existing SKUs that already have this information mapped. So step one is going to be to put this up without anything other than this one item in here. So in order to get this parent listing to work, I have to fill in some basic information. We got bullets in here as well. Go to your offer. For this, I just put I will ship myself. You don't want to put FBA on the parent. And then you're going to want to put a contribution SKU here. It's just your parent SKU. And then you can go ahead and save and finish. So in a few minutes, I'm going to see a new variation group created that shows variation 1. Okay, so the variation group we just created, you will see we now have the one variant grouped in here. So we're going to go ahead and click Edit. You always have to put in a list price. And if we go to variations, previously we had to put in color and size, but now we can actually add existing SKUs. So that's what we were looking for. So for this listing, we're going to go ahead and add in all those existing SKUs. Now you need to make sure color and size are unique, and you're also going to want to edit these on the child level listings, the standalone listings, before you add them to the group, or you may run into some errors. If you do run into an error and you want specific help, go ahead and write that in the comments, and we'll let you know how we were able to fix it in the past. Now we do multi-channel e-commerce management. So if you have products and you want help scaling across multiple marketplaces such as Amazon, eBay, Walmart, Shopify, your own site, we do help with all of that. Okay, as you'll see, we got everything grouped in. The images and stuff will load automatically. So we just hit save and finish now. So when complete, it will look something like this with your 20 variations all under one listing.